Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to install WordPress on XAMPP Localhost in your Windows. Let's dive in. First, you need to download and install XAMPP on your Windows. I have already downloaded and installed it. I will just open XAMPP control panel. And now I need to start Apache and also MySQL. That's great. Now I need to download WordPress. So I will open my browser and will search WordPress download. I'll go wordpress.org and I will download this file. It will take some time, so don't worry. After the download complete, simply check it, open the folder, download folder, this. Now extract this. I'll extract this to my desktop. It's okay now. Let's see the extract file. You can see here. Now click on the explore option. Find out the htdoc folder. Select all, delete those all, and now click the extract file and copy all of the file and paste here. Great. Now open your browser and type localhost. Now you can see the WordPress setup config file is opened, and we need to just set up this WordPress. So first we need to open the XAMPP control panel and then MySQL. Yes. Now we click here English, continue and continue. Now let's go now right here WordPress, and also we need to create a database that name is WordPress. Simply create here. Yeah, that's good. Now write the username, we'll set it root. Now type the database host name. You can check it in your XAMPP control panel. Simply click here explore and then phpMyAdmin and then config.inc.php. You can check here the username, password and also host name. You should be type the correct username, password, hostname, otherwise it will not work. So you can see our username is root, we can see here root, and password is empty, database host name, we can check it here, database host name, it is localhost 3308. That's good. Now click on the submit. Yeah, everything is okay now. Now click on the run the installation. Great, you can type the site title, welcome to my website, username, you can type here root, password you can type here anything as your wish. Your email you can type any email. It says the password is weak, so we need to type another password. This we can copy it. Yeah, install WordPress, click on the install WordPress. Great, now you can see WordPress already installed. We will now type the username and password, remember me, and login. Great, you can see right now we are in the WordPress. That's it for this tutorial. Now you are all the set to test and develop your WordPress site offline. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tech content. See you in the next video.